Welcome back to Wise Maturity. Did you know that millions of people around the world start their day with oatmeal? It's true. This is one of the healthiest and most versatile foods out there. But let me share a secret that not everyone knows. If you consume oatmeal the wrong way, you might miss out on its benefits or even harm your health. Yes, some common habits when preparing or eating oatmeal can turn this superfood into something not so great. Now tell me, are you sure you're adding the right ingredients? Or preparing your oatmeal correctly to make the most of it? And even more, are you avoiding those little mistakes that can turn your healthy meal into something that's not as good for you as it seems? In this video, I'll guide you through the 10 most common mistakes people make when consuming oatmeal. And of course, I'll share tips to help you get the most out of this wonderful food. But before that, let's take a moment to understand why oatmeal is so special. Stay with me because I'm sure you'll be surprised by the benefits you might not know yet. And if you're new here, welcome. Let's grow together on this journey of health and wellness. Oh, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our upcoming content. I'd also love to know where you're watching from. Write it in the comments so we can get to know each other better. Now, my dear, let's talk about the incredible benefits of oatmeal. Rich in essential nutrients, oatmeal is like a gift from nature. It contains magnesium to care for your muscles and nerves, iron to carry oxygen through your body, and zinc to strengthen your immunity. And that's not all. B vitamins provide energy and take care of your skin, hair, and nails. Great for the heart. Oatmeal contains a fiber called beta-glucan that helps lower bad cholesterol, protecting your heart and improving circulation. Helps control blood sugar. Want to keep your energy steady throughout the day? Oatmeal's fiber does just that, helping people with diabetes or anyone wanting to avoid energy slumps. Supports weight management. That feeling of fullness that keeps you from raiding the fridge. Oatmeal does it so well by releasing energy steadily, keeping you satisfied longer. Improves digestion. With its powerful fibers, oatmeal nourishes the good bacteria in your gut and keeps everything running smoothly. A natural skincare aid. Did you know oatmeal is great for soothing skin irritations? And when consumed, it works from the inside out with nutrients that leave your skin healthier and more radiant. Life is full of choices, but I can assure you that including oatmeal in your daily routine is one you won't regret. So let's learn together how to fully enjoy this superfood and avoid the mistakes that could hinder its benefits. Get ready, because what I'm about to share could transform your relationship with oatmeal and your health. Now that you know why oatmeal is so amazing, let's make sure you're not ruining all these benefits. Here are the 10 mistakes you should never make when consuming oatmeal, and believe me, some of them might surprise you. Adding too much sugar. The most common mistake is overdoing the sugar. While a little sweetness enhances the flavor, adding syrups or sugary toppings can turn your healthy breakfast into a calorie-laden dessert. Tip: opt for natural sweeteners like fresh fruits or a dash of cinnamon, which add flavor without extra calories. Not measuring portions correctly. It's easy to overdo the amount of oatmeal you eat. Even though oatmeal is healthy, consuming large portions can lead to excess calories and carbs, which might interfere with your health goals like weight loss or blood sugar control. Tip: use a measuring cup to ensure you're consuming the ideal amount, usually 40 grams or about half a cup. Using pre-sweetened instant oatmeal. Instant oatmeal may seem convenient, but many brands are loaded with added sugars and artificial flavors, significantly reducing its health benefits. Tip: choose whole or rolled oats and add your own ingredients to control the flavor and nutrients. Cooking with too much water or milk. Adding too much liquid can dilute the flavor and texture of oatmeal, often leading to added sugar or other ingredients to compensate. Tip: stick to a balanced liquid ratio, usually 1 part oatmeal to 2 parts liquid, and adjust to your preference. Skipping protein. Oatmeal is rich in carbs, but many people forget to include a protein source, which can leave you feeling hungry sooner. Tip: add Greek yogurt, whey protein, nuts, seeds, or eggs to make a more balanced meal. Choosing unhealthy toppings. Toppings like condensed milk, excessive chocolate, or processed creams can turn a healthy breakfast into a calorie bomb. Tip: choose natural toppings like fresh fruits, chia seeds, cinnamon, or a drizzle of pure honey. Skipping additional fiber. While oatmeal is rich in fiber, eating it alone may not provide enough to keep your digestion optimized. Tip: add fiber-rich foods like flax seeds, chia seeds, or fruits with skin to boost the digestive benefits. Using sweetened plant-based milks. Sweetened plant-based milks like almond or coconut often contain hidden sugars that can increase the calories of your meal without you noticing. Tip: opt for unsweetened versions or make your own plant-based milk at home. Not varying ingredients. Eating oatmeal the same way every day can become monotonous and make you lose interest in this superfood. Tip: experiment with different ingredients like oatmeal with berries and nuts, or savory oatmeal with eggs and avocado. Eating oatmeal only for breakfast. Limiting oatmeal to breakfast means missing out on its benefits at other meals. Tip: use oatmeal in recipes like smoothies, pancakes, soups, or even savory dishes for main meals or snacks. By avoiding these mistakes, you can ensure oatmeal remains a healthy, nutritious, and versatile part of your daily diet. If you've made it this far, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Rate this video from 1 to 10 in the comments and let us know what you think of the content. Your feedback is essential for us to keep bringing you useful and relevant information. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep receiving our updates. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.